Popular soap brand Dove under fire this morning after posting this ad on Facebook. The ad features 3 women of different ethnicities, each removing a t-shirt in matching skin tones to reveal the next woman. The ad was immediately shared by social media users who say it was racially insensitive. One user writing, "This is what happens when there's not enough diversity in leadership positions. Somebody should have caught this and let them know that it was a bad idea." While others tried to understand Dove's intent, here saying, "I think they were attempting to say that the soap or lotion was beneficial for all skin types." Now, the company, which has actually been praised for its diversity in its advertising, previously said to NBC News in a statement, in part, the visual was intended to convey that Dove body wash is for every woman and a celebration of diversity. But we got it wrong, and as a result, offended many people. We are deeply sorry. We are reevaluating our internal processes for creating and reviewing content. Guys, that ad has since been deleted.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.